Alden is a town all for its veterans, and on this most recent Memorial Day, the town held an event honoring those who fought for our country.
Is America today our forefathers' vision? In the wake of the Declaration of Independence, written with passion and faith, we glimpse their aspirations for a nation where liberty and justice would reign supreme.
There was music, guest speakers, and prayers all honoring our nation's soldiers on the 80th anniversary of World War II ending.